Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zinq Technologies Cool Slate 5 cooling pad. There is very little info on the box itself. However, it is written Cool Slate 5, which is 5 in Spanish. Let's open and see what's inside. This is the Cool Slate wrapped in plastic. We will get rid of that in a while. There's also a braided USB connector. Now let's get rid of the plastic wrap and get a closer look. There's a laptop stopper at the bottom. Now let's take a quick look at the undercarriage. You can see the 5 fans more clearly. There are 4 outer fans and a center wind fan. There's a user guide attached to the fans, so let's remove that. Do read that at least once. There are also 2 adjustable brackets with 2 gears. This will allow users to adjust the height and angle of the table according to their requirements. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.